What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Talia Munoz. By the look of this title, you guys already know what I did. I did a yellow makeup look. I love it. I'm so happy on how this whole look came out. So if you guys want to watch me create this look, stay tuned. Remember, don't forget to like, share, comment down below. All the products I use are going to be linked down below, so don't forget to check that out. But let's get started. I'm gonna go in with the Ultra Precise Brow Pencil by e.l.f. You guys, I've been using this brow pencil for I don't know how many times, and I still can't remember the name. So I was on Pinterest just looking through makeup ideas because I'm on a roll. So every day I'm like, okay, what should I do next? What should I do next? What's my next video? So you guys, I'm really happy that I've been very committed to this whole month. I've been really committed, and we're going into September, which I am super excited. Well, actually we are in September, but that just means we're getting closer to fall. Summer, it was just not a good one. Not a good one. We really didn't go out anywhere. Fall will allow us to make home more cozy, be home more with family, watching movies. So I am super excited about that. And I did my hair before filming, did my jewelry, got a new shirt on and everything. So now to prime the lids. You guys already know what I do. I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. Very good. I love this concealer. I'm actually running low. So I'm actually going in with this new, well, it's not new, it's the Love Beauty Fully. It's by IT Brushes. Okay, so going in with the Selena X MAC palette, we're gonna go in with this shade right here. Now going in with the e.l.f. X J Kiss palette, we're gonna go in with this this yellow right here. And we're gonna go in with this little taper brush. It came with one of my Naked palettes. I like to dab it and then try to see where am I gonna place the shadow. It's kind of like shaping it. Oh, it has more of a glitter effect. I didn't realize that. And it's just my brush. I think it's just my brush. It's gonna be a really pretty look. I feel it. I just know it. I went to go get my nails done the other day and they came out so good. They're just like a classic gel. These are my real nails, so I'm really proud of them. They just came out so nice. That I get to play so much with my hands. They just look so good. Let me try this other yellow with a different brush. It's not giving me, I mean, it's giving me the effect, but not how I want it. Let me try this brush. I'm gonna go in with that Morphe M514. M514. I'm gonna go with Paloma right here. So I like where I'm going with this. Now go back in with our concealer, if I can find it. Going in with a flat brush, and I'm actually gonna use like a shader brush. This just helps me control the liner. I have to get more brushes because me cleaning them while I'm doing this is just not a good idea. Now going in with a flat brush, and this is the Eco Tools. We're gonna go in with, I think I have a yellow in here. Oh, we're gonna go in with the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna go in with this gold right here. I forgot about J Kiss also has like a very cute gold called Firefly. Go back in with the Morphe brush and going in with Paloma. Blend it all together so it looks like one. I like it. And we're not done yet because we're actually gonna go in with the e.l.f. glitter called 24K Gold. Moving on to the next eye, I'm actually gonna speed this one up. Alright, so I'm done with the eyes. Well, I'm not done with the eyes. I'm done with the shadow. I'm actually going to go in with the e.l.f. Glitter Shadow 24K Gold. Yes, I love it. I love it. I'm trying to think. Let's do liner. I want it to look like fierce. You know what? Eyeliners are supposed to be like sisters, just like brows. These are they're just long distance cousins, okay? All right, so nothing new with the foundation nor the primer, so I'm gonna do that off camera, so I'll be right back. All right, and I'm back. I just finished doing concealer and I'm setting it right now. So we're actually gonna go in with the Milani Dulce and going in with my Roxette Iconic Bronzer brush with Sigma. So I don't know what I did last night, but I fell asleep. I don't know how I fell asleep, but I woke up really stiff from my shoulder and my neck. Ugh, it just hurts. Like the worst feeling. I think I just need new pillows and a new bed. So it's looking good. The star of the show is the eyes and the lips. I can't wait for you guys to see the lips. It's a new bold lipstick that I want to try out. It's not my pinkish, it's not my nude. It's definitely more, a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I'm very, very excited. Okay, so now that that's that, I already went in with mascara, so I'm just going to curl them and put my falsies on, which I am actually debating which falsies should I put on. Ouch. So we have Tres Cheek. This one is like cruelty free and vegan, so I really like these. Got these like kind of in a PR package. I don't know though. I don't know. Are they a little too much for this look? All right, so we have those. So that's option one. Option number two would be my baby doll one. These are cute. They really let the eyes pop out. These are cute. I'm not disappointed. These are more subtle. And then these are Snob by Batty B. I might be feeling the Snob. What do you guys think? I don't know. It's hard. These are the winners. This is Tres Cheek Cosmetics. So let's put lashes on 1, 2, 3. Just like that. All right. So these lashes, I'm happy I went with these. These are really, really pretty. These are, once again, the company, well, not the company, the brand Tres Cheek Cosmetics. Use code GLAMUPTALI for a 20% off. So that's a good deal. All right, so for blush, I'm loving this new blush, Berry Amore by Milani. It's such a pretty pink tone and it has a little bit of gold undertones. And if you put it on the apples, ooh, it just brings life to my face. Life, life, life. All right, so now that that's all set, let's actually set it with the setting spray. So we're gonna go in with the Stay All Night Micro Fine Setting Spray by e.l.f. This is one of their new ones. I just love the way it smells. It smells fresh. Now, time for lips. We're gonna go in with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. So that's an eye pencil. I'm gonna use it as a lip. Now with this Stila Biscotti, I wanna say Biscotti. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. It's a Stay All Day liquid lipstick. It's more of a matte, but I like the color. I like it. It's like a little bit of a fall look. So for highlight, let's go in with the e.l.f. Doesn't give me any. Oh yeah, Moonlight Pearls. I just love this. It's just so pretty. It glides on nicely. Not like all at once. Like bang, just perfect. This gives me enough. And then with this little magic little thing, this is a smudger. I'm actually gonna use this to put on the bridge of the nose. A little bit on the tip. All right, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I am all done. I am obsessed with the eyes, the lips also as well. I think I'm in love with it. It's one of my favorite looks that I've done so far. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. All right, you guys. Well, I'll see you guys next time. Remember, I upload every Sundays. Adios. All right, so I am going in with the one and only Ultra Brow. Hi. It's okay. Michael's the craft store?
No, the other one.
Joann's?
The makeup.
Oh yeah, I like it. I like the yellow in between.
Oh my god.
Ah! Oh, my neck. And of course, I have to sneeze. Please don't forget, like, ugh.